Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get a cash advance from TurboTax. First, open TurboTax on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your account. Next, move forward to the section where TurboTax asks how you would like to receive your refund. This is where the refund advance option usually appears. If you qualify, you will see an option to apply for a refund advance. Select this option to continue with the application. At this stage, you may be asked to open a checking account with Credit Karma. This account is used to receive the advance funds. Follow the instructions to create the account and verify your identity if required. After that, review your tax return and submit it electronically. Once the tax return is filed, the Internal Revenue Service must accept it. After acceptance, the lender reviews your application for the advance. If you are approved, the advance amount can be deposited into your Credit Karma Money checking account within minutes. The advance amount is usually a portion of your expected refund, often up to several $1,000s depending on eligibility. When the full tax refund arrives later, the advance amount is automatically deducted, and the remaining balance is deposited into your account. This is how you get a cash advance from TurboTax. Thanks for watching.